So, I have a friend who has a low mileage 2018 Nissan Murano, and her engine just stopped working at 20,000 miles. The thing is that Nissan has a warranty that covers 5 years, 60,000 miles, which means the engine should be in a warranty. But they're saying that they will not service the car or do any warranty coverage to cover the engine because she did services somewhere else other than the dealer. Do they have a case? No. According to the Federal Trade Commission, there is an actual act. It's called the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. And that is actually a protective act that covers you, the buyer, from BS like this. If you get your services done at another shop, an independent shop, and they do your oil, they do anything else, and your engine breaks, it's still under warranty with the manufacturer, because the warranty is a promise that is made by the manufacturer, and they must stand behind it. They must do it, or they're violating the Federal Trade Commission's Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. What if you have an aftermarket part put on? Guess what? It does not void your warranty. If you use a recycled part, it does not void your warranty. What they have to do is they have to actually show that improper installation was the very thing that caused whatever it was to fail. So in this person's case, she had regular oil changes done. They said, oh, well, we can't warranty because there's sludge in the engine. Well, she had regular oil changes done. Sludging happens for two main reasons. One, gross neglect, true, or poor oil delivery system. The port holes could be clogged in a motor when it was produced. That makes the engine oil stay at the very top of the motor, and it cooks and becomes into tar. It destroys the motor. The thing is, they have to prove that those oil that she had improper oil changes, improper oil, she did something that's outside of manufacturer requirements, and then they have a case. But if she shows records of having oil changes, and she shows records of having them done, and shows proofs and receipts of having oil changes over those 20,000 miles, just like 3, maybe 4 oil changes, she's got a case, and they got to pay for it. And if any dealer tries to pull this stuff on you where you didn't do your services there, they're breaking the law. And you should always bring up the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. You're welcome. I hope that helps. Bye.